Hello everyone, welcome to Mercie J, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm one of the owners, Rick Smith. I co-own the shop with Michael Glandon. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the qualifications required for our immediate opening for the general service technician. Now we have two other videos that go along with this. One talks about what the offer and benefits are, and another one is just some personal advice that I have for those of you who have recently graduated from some sort of technical school. It's just a few tips on what to consider as you look at different job offers. So the first thing we're looking for in a candidate is some formal training. That training could be a technical school like the Arizona Automotive Institute or Universal Technical Institute. I actually graduated from AAI. It could be one of the awesome programs that works with the high schools, such as the East Valley Institute of Technology or the American Leadership Academy. Then you also have possibility of the community colleges. Michael actually graduated from Mesa Community in their technical department, or even if you just have 1 year of auto shop in a high school. Bottom line is we need some formal training, because once you have that, we can give you additional training and mentor you and help you really progress forward. Because of that, one of the requirements is you have to have a desire to grow and learn. Punctuality is super important here at the shop, as well as a willingness to roll up your sleeves and get to work. So some good work ethics. We have a wonderful staff here, and if you want to get along with them, you have to be enthusiastically friendly and basically play well with others. Professional conduct, quality work are both expected. Now, one of the things you might want to keep in mind about the culture of our shop is when we work on vehicles, we don't refer to the vehicle. We always use the client's name. And the reason for that is it constantly reminds us that we are actually serving real people, individuals who need their vehicles. We just happen to be serving them by fixing their cars. Now, experienced technicians have a pretty significant set of tools. Because this is a entry-level position, we will have a number of tools and equipment to help you, but a basic tool set is going to be required. Lastly, part of the job is road testing vehicles. So we need a valid driver's license with a clean driving record. So if you think you meet these qualifications, send us a resume to hiring.merciej@gmail.com. And if you know someone that might fit this, make sure to share them this video. Thanks for watching, and blessings to you.